Hi everyone, today I want to introduce a device that everyone usually use in the summer. This is Panasonic CU-CS-U9SKS-9 air conditioner. It is small, white and made of aluminum, so, so it has four buttons. Button 1 turn air conditioner on or off. Button 2 turn down the temperature. Button 3 is used to turn up the temperature and button 4 is for opening the menu to choose the temperature. It is easy to use and good for everyone. So every day I use it when I go to sleep because uh, I feel hot in summer. Thank you everyone for listening.